How to create group in Instagram. Now, if you want to message multiple people at the same time or create a group, all you have to do is to tap on this messenger button right here. And if you want to create a group on Instagram, all you have to do is to tap on this button right here. And when you click on that, you'll be able to see an option that says create group chat. All you have to do is to tap on that one and click on the people that you want to add to your group. Let's say this one here. And when you're done adding up people to your group, all you have to do is to tap on create group chat right here. And once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on change name and image for you to customize your group chat on Instagram. Now you can tap on this one and enter a group name. Let's say hi right there. And also add image to it in order for you to change the group photo on Instagram. Let's say I want to be this. Now, once you're done, all you have to do is to tap on done right here and your group has been customized. So that's how to create group in Instagram. Hope we help.